Staring down a sink overflowing with dirty baby bottles, crusty breast pump parts, and endless pacifiers after a long, exhausting day is a universal pain point for new parents. Hand scrubbing every tiny valve, nipple, and narrow neck container with a standard brush feels like a part-time job that steals precious time you could spend resting or bonding with your little one. The Momcozy KleanPal Pro Baby Bottle Washer, Sterilizer, and Dryer completely transforms this daily chore by bringing fully automated, medical-grade cleanliness directly to your kitchen counter. It is a true all-in-one parenting lifesaver engineered to wash, sanitize, dry, and store your entire feeding kit with a single touch, completely eliminating the need for tedious manual scrubbing or a cluttered collection of separate drying racks and countertop appliances. The engineering breakthrough behind this compact powerhouse is its specialized, multi-directional high-pressure cleaning layout. While a traditional dishwasher struggles to push water inside the tight, hidden nooks of narrow baby bottles, the KleanPal Pro features a dynamic 3-layer spray system armed with 26 powerful spray jets. Driven by 22,000 pascals of targeted water pressure, 12 dedicated directional nozzles shoot directly up into the core of upside-down bottles, while 14 swirling jets aggressively wash the exterior surfaces. This deep cleaning mechanism strips away stubborn, oily milk residue and fine formulas from every angle with maximum water efficiency, utilizing only 2.5 liters of water per cycle, which saves up to 86% of the water wasted during standard hand washing. Once the thorough washing cycle wraps up, the machine automatically transitions into a heavy-duty health safeguard by initiating full steam sterilization. Reaching an intense 212 degrees Fahrenheit, the hot steam blankets the interior of the chamber to effectively eliminate 99.9% of invisible germs, bacteria, and pathogens without any harsh chemicals. Immediately following sterilization, the machine engages a high-efficiency drying cycle that forces hot, sterile air through a medical-grade H13 HEPA filter. This filter captures 99.9% of airborne particles, ensuring that the air drying your baby's gear is completely purified. Items emerge bone-dry, spot-free, and perfectly safe for immediate feeding. Designed to easily match the chaotic, fast-moving rhythm of newborn life, the device features a highly intuitive digital control panel that unlocks 9 distinct cleaning mode combinations. Busy parents can choose a blazing fast 19-minute rapid wash for lightly used items, a 29-minute normal wash for dried-on residue, or a combined comprehensive wash, sterilize, and dry cycle that handles everything from start to finish in about an hour and a half. The internal dual-layer rack is meticulously structured to hold up to 4 large baby bottles and their matching nipples on the lower deck, leaving the spacious upper rack completely open to organize wearable pump parts, sippy cups, silicone teething toys, and pacifiers. After the cycle finishes, the intelligent machine can drop into an automated 72-hour fresh air storage mode, keeping the clean air actively circulating so your equipment remains hygienic and completely odor-free for days. Setting up this appliance requires zero technical experience, as it sits comfortably right next to your kitchen sink and utilizes an integrated auto-drain hose that safely empties the dirty water directly down the drain. It even includes a starter pack of 60 specialized, baby-safe Momcozy cleaning tablets to ensure perfect, residue-free results right out of the box. If you are ready to permanently fire yourself from bottle brushing duty, reclaiming your evenings, and securing the ultimate peace of mind for your baby's health, this all-in-one automatic washer is an indispensable kitchen upgrade. Make sure to click the link below for the best price available right now. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment letting me know if you're washing traditional bottles or wearable pump parts most often. And I will see you in the next video.